Hi friends, welcome to Learnship.com. Today we are going to see about Pithos. Pithos is an open source Pandora Radio client for Linux desktop. It is a US based music streaming service. It has a features like a 10-band equalizer, screensaver, lock screen inhibitor, and volume normalizer, etc. It also have a online Pithos wiki to support for this Pithos. Okay friends, now I am going to show you how to install Pithos on PopOS. For installing Pithos, you have to add a repository. This is the command to add a repository. After adding a repository, now we are going to update the repository using a command apt-get update. After updating a repository, now we are going to install Pithos using a command apt-get install Pithos. After installation, to check, go to activities and then type Pithos. It shows the application icon. Just click the icon to open. It will ask for the preferences. Fill the details if you want and then click OK. It will open the Pithos application. This is about Pithos. I hope this video will be informative for you. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Linux Help. For further tutorial, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.